Guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing another Drive Empire video. Yeah, Drive Empire. Today we're about to buy a new car, like the McLaren. I do some offline playing, sorry guys, but I got Lamborghini and this. I have no idea what car, but it's a very fast car. Let's go in. Which one this one? You gotta wait a second to load it. Okay. I'm lagging. Okay. This is in the million area, I guess. Yeah, on it. Oh, over here? Yeah. Oh, I have too much. Don't care, just do it. Boom. Are you sure? Would you like to buy the? Don't care, buy it. My bank account just broke. My bank account. Bruh. My bank account just broke. Where's the I? Over here. Wait, how much is that? And I guess so, guys. Nah. This is sick. Wait, guys, wait, look at one plus P. See? Wait, why not?
Audio made by more for.
What the? One press P? It go up, you know? Well, that's a sick future. Let's see how much it goes. Well, upgrade. 3, 2, 1, go. How much does speed go? Okay. Oh, that's fast, bro. That's fast. Not gonna lie. 300. Oh. Okay, 346. Natural. Okay, I think it's 383, guys. Let's go into the upgrade. Oh, I forgot to back the thing. Let's just do a see what can we buy. Actually, no. Yeah, we should. Upgrade this one. And get... Which one? Should I do this? I think so. Donna and buy one this. This or that? This. Oop. And break by one and okay, this one is good. And tire. Oh, yo, nah, doing this on. Buy 2 of them. Yes, I have enough. And boom, I got a lot of good things in my pocket, huh? And oh, nah, this car is going fast. This? Yeah. We just gotta get some money and see what. Wait, let me go on the paint. What's this? Oh, not gonna like this. Nah. Which one is this gonna be? Nah, not good. What's this? Oh, ooh, that's good. Not gonna lie. This first, we gonna make this color. Nah, it look ugly kind of. Why does it kind of look fire, bro? And secondary to this, nah. Like, nah. Maybe customize. Red, no. Green, kind of look good, but yeah, sure. Let me change this to. Oh, this kind of looks sick, bro. And on the back, inside there, just nah, that's too bad. That's bad. What's this? Ooh, nah. That's good, not gonna lie. Let me see. Let me see what's this for. Like that. Oh. Ooh, that kind of looks smooth, bro. And did I can buy any nacho? No. Let's see what play can buy. US and buy the whatever. I'm just gonna close my eyes and did nah. Choose one like this. Oh, that's a good spot. Okay, and the rims. Which one? Oh, this one. This one's sick. Underglow. Ooh, I might has some. Don't have Robux. Broke. Let's go. Race. Yeah, race. Let me kill you in a race. Race. Oh, not job. Which one? Highway race. Yeah, highway race. Do it. Let's do it. Join Q. Let's go into a highway. We got highway racing. Oh, oh. Live globe match. Okay. Uh, uh, oh yeah, you're loading my car. Ooh, that car look kinda good. But not better than mine. My car looks smooth with, oh, sorry, I farted. Looks smooth with the green and the blue. Light blue, I think that's called. Yeah, boy. Oh, my. Okay, that's one. Done this video. Oh, no, one done this race. I'm gonna show you a good tips on the drag race. That car again. That car is the fastest car I have, but I don't want to pull out. That's no skill. This one's half skill. I gotta pull my wing up. No, we're cook. This 500 mile. No, this 530 mile per hour one, bruh. Put our wings up. Oh, what happened to that car? Why can't I put my wing up? Bruh, we're so good. No one can even catch up us. I think we are the max. Go, bro. Just don't lose it. Just don't lose it. What then? I can show you my Lamborghini. Okay? Nah, the car's catching up. I don't want to be the last. How's that car so slow? Not gonna lie. I promise that's fast. I promise. Bro, this car is fast, not gonna lie. How is that wing not working? Oh yeah, that's my fastest lap. Okay, the tips start now. When you're going a drag race, wait a minute. Okay, over here. Why? Okay, come over here. Which? Oh yeah, get the. Just type 2017 and the first one is it. You know why? You see slow, but let me show you. Okay, going over here and press M and go to M5. Oh, it's not working. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I go to 3, 2, 1. Boom! See this? See this? Instantly blow. Let me show you in match, you know. I know this is about the new car, but I gotta show you, you know. Where's the drag race at? Drag race? Oh, over here. It's so powerful. It's so powerful, and you can instantly be like the best car in the game, literally, bruh. because oh, sorry. It has a good going animation. What am I saying? Sorry, guys. Yeah, like this. It's about to get cooked. You know that? Press M4, 5. See? He's scared, but I don't think he's scared now. Sorry, guys, I got to my volume. Okay, see, he got Audi. I have no idea what's Audi what. Oh, sorry, I said it wrong. Bro, you don't know me. You don't know me. That's a GTR thing. Yep. Boom. See, they're gonna even catch up at us. And this car is free, you know. It's free, and you can get a lot of money grind though. See, he got all Audi RS. You see, my car is faster. Going in the lobby and wait, can I buy something? Wait, I think I can buy something real quick. Hacker. Sorry, he's just lagging. Can we buy this? I spend my money on what I forgot. Let's go to my car real quick and wait, I'm turning my lights on. Ooh, look at the lights and put what? Why it's not working, bro? Put it up. Oh, he's going like this part. Oh. It's going up when you press P one time. No, 2 times. When you press once and go down. I'm so genius. Oh, look at that sound. Ooh, that sound listen clean, bro. It sounds clean, and it's not. Oh, we're about to fly. Oh, never mind. It's so fast. Wait, let me show you my other car. How we just end up on the highway? This is. Wait. Ooh, look at that star sound. Wait, let me. Oh, how did I just fall? Look at that door. Look at that door open, bruh. And look out on the cockpit inside it, right? Let me close this real quick. Look at this. Ooh, fur. Yeah. And that's right. We got a good cockpit. Unlike other games. Not the cockpit. Oh my, we're flying. Wait, I'm trying to put back real quick. I grind so hard for this. Oh, there's a car on me. What's that? Oh, I do have that, bruh. A red and green. One just run to the wall. Security? Don't pull over, bro. I'm legal. Oh, no, sorry, guy. You know this car? Yeah, this car is better than yours. I only can turn off those 2 doors, but it looks sick. Wait, let me take a picture of this. Wait. Oh, it's not working. Okay, it's doing. Boom, that looks good, bro. And this is his video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. This is today's video. Hope I see you in another video. Bye.